Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Adobe Creative Cloud is taking longer than usual to load. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to repair a common cause of slow or stuck loading. Problematic entries in your computer's host file. I'll talk you through each action, explain what you're seeing, and share a few tips to keep things smooth. Begin by opening the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool. This is an official Adobe utility designed to troubleshoot Creative Cloud issues. When you launch it, you'll see a simple text-based window rather than a typical app interface. If your system asks for permission to run the tool or to allow changes, that's expected. Approve the prompt so the utility can make the necessary repairs. Next, the tool will ask you to choose a language. Type the letter E for English or J for Japanese, then press Enter. Make sure the tool's window is active before you type, and press Enter once to confirm your selection. The interface will proceed in the language you've chosen, making the remaining steps easier to follow. You'll then be prompted to accept Adobe's terms so the tool can continue. Type Y and press Enter to agree. This confirms that you understand the utility will make targeted system repairs related to Creative Cloud. If you enter anything else, the tool won't continue, so be sure to type the single letter Y. After that, you'll see a numbered list of cleanup and repair options. Look for the one labeled Fix Host File. This is the key step. The host file is a small system file that maps website names to network addresses. If it contains incorrect or blocked entries for Adobe services, Creative Cloud can hang on startup or take much longer than usual to load. Identify the number that corresponds to Fix Host File, type that number, and press Enter. The tool will repair or restore the default entries so Creative Cloud can communicate properly with Adobe servers. Let the process finish. You should see a brief confirmation in the window once it completes. When the tool reports that it's done, close it and relaunch Creative Cloud. In many cases, the loading delay is resolved immediately. If Creative Cloud still feels sluggish, a quick system restart can help apply the repair cleanly. This fix doesn't remove your Adobe apps or assets, it only addresses the host file configuration. For best results, always use the Cleaner tool obtained directly from Adobe and ensure your internet connection is stable while testing. That's it. You've used the Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to fix the host file and resolve the slow loading issue.